Investly app pricing explained what you get for your money. Investly is a versatile investment platform, but understanding its pricing is key to knowing what you get. Most people get this wrong by assuming all investment apps charge the same fees, but Investly offers a tiered structure with different features at each level. The free plan lets you track investments, create watch lists, and access basic analytics. It's ideal for beginners who want to monitor the market without paying anything. The premium plan, usually around per month, unlocks advanced analytics, real-time alerts, and priority customer support. This tier is perfect for investors who want deeper market insights, personalized portfolio guidance, and enhanced reporting. Enterprise or professional tiers offer API access, portfolio management tools, and multi-user dashboards, catering to serious investors or advisors managing multiple accounts. In conclusion, Investly pricing is structured to match your needs. Free access covers basics, while premium and enterprise options give advanced tools, insights, and management capabilities. Choosing the right plan ensures you pay for exactly what you need.